So for the 3.03 quiz, it's going to be all focused on constructions. Here's an example of what you'll see. It says George is constructing the circumscribed circle for triangle RST. He's already used his compass to complete the part of the construction shown in the figure. So what you can see here is that he's already made the little arcs to help to create perpendicular bisectors of each side. Remember the circumscribed circle, the center of that circle is called the circumcenter, and that is the intersection of all the perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Next, in order to finish this construction, or head towards finishing this construction, he would need to draw the actual perpendicular bisectors of the sides in through, and they would be straighter than this, hopefully, in through points D and C and points A and B. Because what those are is you're drawing in those perpendicular bisectors, and then therefore you will be creating the circumcenter where those intersect. So then we can go from there, labeling and finishing out our construction of the circumscribed circle. The next one I want to look at is the inscribed circle, which that's the intersection of the angle bisectors. So you can see here he's already constructed the angle bisector for angle B. Now you need at least two of the angle bisectors in order to find where those angle bisectors intersect, to find the center of that incenter, of that inscribed circle. So he needs to construct the angle bisector of A or C. Notice C is not an option on this multiple choice one, so we would choose A. The line through points A and R would not help us at all. SBQ, we do not need to construct an angle bisector of the smaller angle SBQ here. That's not even close to being part of this construction. And then perpendicular line BC through point R, or perpendicular to BC through point R. That would be more of your perpendicular bisector. Actually, that would be the last step to finding or to constructing the inscribed circle. Because once we find where those intersect, then we would go through wherever those intersect, the two angle bisectors, then we would construct a perpendicular line to BC from the center where those intersect. It's probably not going to be R though. So wherever those intersect, we would construct perpendicular, but not quite yet. We need that intersection point. And to get that, we have to construct angle bisector.